Yo, my bad. My Wi-Fi cut out, but I think we are back now. Yeah, we should be back now. Wi-Fi cut out, and I was just asking, do you guys see anything that you guys like? This GU trade is taking off, but it didn't tap into the demand yet, which is quite annoying. It's taking off on the 1 hour quite a bit. I don't really see anything else. Yeah, GJ just took off randomly. So did GJ. GJ and GU just took off, went crazy. We back after the money. Yeah, my Wi-Fi cut out for a bit. I'm not too sure why, but we back now. GU literally went crazy. Just if it only if it tapped into that demand, we would have been chilling. I do think today's gonna be a long day. You know what? I actually think it is, Fred. Nothing's happening. Maybe the CAD news does something, because it did it last time. But other than that, I literally see nothing. No trades. Yeah, hopefully. Like, there's literally nothing on GJ. There's literally nothing that's been created. On NAS, there's nothing that I take. On US 30, also nothing I take. Gold is also nothing I take, and gold is consolidating. Oh, I hope this news does something, even though it's CAD news. GU is rejecting. Let's see what GU is rejecting from. There's a resistance, a 5-minute resistance on GU, but I think I'm good on it. Yeah, it's rejecting nicely from that resistance on. I'll mark it up right here. It's tapped into that on TradingView. Wouldn't be too bad to take, but it is counter trend, and we are in 1 hour demand. If you guys trade any other pairs, do you guys see anything? Like, people who trade EU, people who trade AU. Do you guys see anything or anything else happening? You guys trade any other pair? Did you skip the GU winning supply? Yeah, it's a counter trend supply. I saw someone in my Discord took the GU supply right here, but it's counter trend, and we were already in the 1 hour in a 1 hour demand. So you know what, I'm not risking that. And I don't really like taking counter trend setups. Those are the ones that I'm lose most on. So you know what, I'm just following trend. AU demand 1. Let's check AU. I dropped AU because it was treating me horrible. Okay, let's just put up AUD USD. Let's see what AU's doing. AU demand, damn. AU demand 1, but it's a pretty high demand right over here. That's valid. Let's see. EU has a counter trend supply, but we're high up. Let's pull up EU and see. EU. Oh, I see it right here. I don't really like that. I won't lie to you. Yeah, I'm not taking counter trend setups. We're trying to take the best setups. The first rejection looked good though. We're getting a little bit of a second reaction or rejection, but yeah. GU, the only clean setup I've seen so far. The supply is, if you're talking about that one, yeah. You know what? The rejection was okay from it, like a 1, but I'm not a fan of taking counter trend setups. So we're trying to take the best setups. I always lose on the counter trend setups, but when I take the setups that are going with trend, we always win. So I'm sticking to that. GU's actually gone crazy off the 1 hour demand. Yeah, G's going absolutely crazy. And GJ is also just doing the exact same thing G's doing. Yeah, I don't like it today. Has been slow for real. Drake has been slow. Now I'm talking about the demand. Yeah, the demand, that's the one thing I'm waiting on, but we already got the reaction, and I don't think we're actually going to come back down to that. I like trading counter trend liquidity graphs. I don't know about you. A lot of them do win, but a lot of them do lose as well on counter trend liquidity graphs. Like I've done backtesting on it as well, taking counter trend ones, but it's like it's just a probability game. Some of them are gonna win, some of them are gonna lose. Yo, I'm happy to be here again. I appreciate you, bro. Let's see if we can catch a setup today. NAS could be creating a demand that I wouldn't mind taking. Let me just check it out on TradingView. Yeah, NAS could create a demand. It is a counter trend demand because of the 200 EMA. Let's just check the 1 hour. The 1 hour, actually, I kind of like this. Let's pull this up. If we get the breaker structure though, we need to break that high right there for this to be valid. But if we go to the 1 hour, we're kind of in a demand right here. It is a big zone though. We're getting a good reaction from the demand. And then if we get this 5-minute setup, if it gives us breaker structure right there, I wouldn't mind taking that honestly. Fill in this big gap here, tap into the supply. And we have other gaps up here. That's not a bad setup. This week is going to be blue. I can feel it, but let's hope. Let's hope. Yeah, okay, no. NAS looks like it's gonna tap into that zone before it even gives us breaker structure. Yeah, with gaps from London, they give. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Are you talking about liquidity grabs when we grab London low. Those ones hit the most. I haven't backtested them, but I've seen. They give crazy RR with a good win rate from my backtest. If you take liquidity grabs, well, when the market grabs London low, then it's a good setup. Let's see. Gold is also not doing anything. I'm still skeptical. Yeah, it's nothing really too good yet. Yeah, they are pretty good. Let's see. I wonder if Doyle's taken anything yet. Nah. US 30 created a demand, but I'm still skeptical about even trying to trade US 30, but let's mark it up. There's a demand right there. It gave us a minor breaker structure, and then we're about to break this big wick here, which makes the demand valid, but it is counter trend. 200 EMA is above. Wouldn't mind if we have to come fill in this big gap here. And US 30 is on a downtrend on the 5 minutes. Let's check the 1 hour. You know what? It doesn't look like a great setup, but it is valid. The market's been extremely slow recently. If you guys haven't watched the previous video I posted, make sure you go watch it out. Go watch it. That video, look, did pretty well. Okay, yeah, no, US 30 is not valid. I don't think I'd take that. You took GJ liquidity grab? What liquidity grab on GJ? I don't see any liquidity grab on GJ, but nah, I haven't taken any setups yet. Dang, this whole month kind of been slow for real. Nah, bro, this month has been terrible for me, and it has been extremely slow. But also on GJ, I don't see a liquidity grab. I won't lie to you, bro. There was one like pretty early, but I wasn't looking at the charts then. Let's just delete that. I think I'm just gonna close that for now. Close US 30 for now. Same, bro, to be honest, bro. This month has been trash. The whole of Q1 has actually, January and February still, like, it hasn't been, like, January was okay. Like, I was profitable the whole of January, but it still wasn't, like, the best, like, trading month. And February, for me, has just been terrible. Hopefully March is better, or Q2 gets better. There's 9 minutes until CAD news, but I don't think it shouldn't affect US pairs. But as I was saying last time, CAD news did affect US pairs. EU liquidity grab. Let us check that out. Oh, we're grabbing the high there. You know what? That could actually be valid, but I don't trade EU. Then there's a big gap here to fall. You know what? That could be valid, but I also could not win. Like it looks alright. Grabbing there, no candles closed above that high. Up to you, bro. It is a counter trend liquidity grab though, so just be careful if you're gonna take that. Even if it's valid, like you can't really see that white candle. But let's see. Just take that off. That white candle. Put that green there. If it breaks there, then you can get in. Everything is moving so slow. So GU just wasted. Like GU's actually made me quite annoyed. Like if it just tapped, like we were right there by the zone. We were literally like 0.6 pips of tapping into this GU demand. If we tapped in there, you could have easily held this for like to fill in these gaps like up until here. The 1 hour demand off that even looks so good as well. That's so annoying it didn't tap. Just sent you the setup I took on GJ. Yeah, I saw, bro. But that's before my trading time. I only start looking at the charts at 7:15, and that trade gave break of candle at 7:05. So yeah, I'm not taking that. Can you check UJ? Alright, let's pull up UJ. USD JPY. What's going on in UJ? I used to trade UJ. UJ used to be like so nice to me. Honestly, I don't see anything. There's a no breaker structure demand here. Looks high probability. But other than that, I don't see anything. A supply that we just broke out of. Nothing that I see that I take. That's a pretty good liquidity grab. It's swept below these lows here. It could have gone that break a candle. That's a pretty good liquidity grab. But I don't see anything else. Is that a counter trend liquidity grab on gold? Yeah, right. Yeah, there is a counter trend liquidity grab on gold right here, but I'm not taking counter trend ones. So if you could have taken that, it looks like it's about to hit stop loss, but there was a counter trend one on gold. And then let's see, AU demand. AU demand is valid. Let's just check. Where's AU? AU demand. Let me put it up on trading view just so I can see it better. AU demand's low probability, so I wouldn't take AU demand, but if you take low probability setups, yeah, it is valid. Just be careful, we are high, so there is a chance that we were literally bullish the whole of London, and we've been bullish like most of New York, so just be careful. There could be a reversal on AU. But yeah, if you take low probability setups, that's valid. Everything is just so slow. Okay, there's CAD news in 2 minutes. You know what? I'm actually hoping CAD news affects USD today, like it did last week, because the markets are so dead. There's no movement happening. Liquidity grab, resistance. It just broke structure on UJ. Let us open up UJ again. Send me the setup on Discord, bro. I don't see the liquidity grab resistance. Yeah, I don't really see the setup you're talking about on UJ. I think with cutting my losses, I'll just stick to the stop loss hits. You know, I don't really like cutting my losses because I do cut a lot of winners. So recently, I've just been letting. Okay, this is CAD news, but it doesn't look like it's affecting anything too much. But yeah, I've been cutting a lot of losses. So cutting a lot of winners, so I've kind of stopped trying to cut my trades. But if it's like really close, like let's make an example. Actually, I can't draw on MetaTrader, but if it gets like really close, like a pip to my stop loss, then I'll close. It's not really cutting it, but you cut it like a pip between a pip and a half before it hits stop loss. I'd close. Because then you just know for a fact that we're gonna hit stop loss. Like actually we can let's do this. Okay, let's say you got into this gold counter trend liquidity grab, right? you'd have your stop loss above this wick right here, right above that wick. You'd have your stop loss. If the market is pushing up like it did, okay, I see. I'd get up. So this green candle stopped you out pretty much. I would have had, so your stop loss would have been above there. I probably would have cut it like around about there. Okay, wait, let's just readjust that. I would have cut it around about there. That's where I would have cut, if you can see it properly. Wait, let's just remove that and then remove that. I would have cut it like somewhere around there, like a pip before it did stop loss. That's what I would have done personally. I would have taken UJ but already made money on GJ. You know what? If you already made money, just close the charts. Okay. So CAD news did affect USD pairs a bit. There is a GU demand. Let's just fix that. There's a valid GU demand with a breaker structure, and then on gold we also have a valid demand there. So let's just delete the zone because I don't think we're getting back to that first zone. But yeah, let's see. This gold, we have a valid gold demand. The gold demand is very high up though. That's the only problem. But this GU demand actually looks really good. I want this GU demand. The GU demand is probably like the one thing I'm looking at now. Damn, UJ. What's going on with UJ? Let's check. Oh damn, UJ dropped. UJ dropped a lot. Damn. I like this GU demand a lot though. This is probably, I'm gonna wait for this. This is like the one setup I'm waiting for now. Yeah, GU is like the one I'm waiting for now. Let's just check the higher time frames for GU. That 1 hour, it looks like GU actually hit 1-to-1. Wait, let's just check. GU is literally about to hit 1-to-1 from the 1 hour demand. Literally, this 1 hour demand is actually about to hit 1-to-1. That's pretty close. On TradingView, it hasn't hit yet, but I do like this GU demand up here. I'm hoping it stays valid. Okay, we actually could potentially get the tap now. I'm hoping we do, and I'm hoping we hold on this demand. Either this or gold, but I'm not too sure about gold because of how high we are. We've been bullish for very long on gold, so I'm not too sure about that. But this GU one looks really clean. NAS is doing nothing. That's also doing nothing. So I'm just trying to wait for GU. Gold is tapped into the demand as well already. So in it now. But I think I'm going to pass on this one because of how high we are. I'm waiting on GU. GU hopefully comes and saves us. There's no way GU leaves us again. Nah, there's no way GU actually leaves us again. Gold is getting a little bit of a rejection. Oh no, wait, gold's in a 1 hour supply. It's probably also, yeah, gold's in a 1 hour and a 4 hour supply. Yeah, I don't think gold's the move. But I'm hoping GU does not leave us again, because that would be pretty annoying. Oh, there's no way that GU leaves us again. If you guys don't follow the Instagram, make sure you go follow the Instagram. It's literally just andreas.alexandru, and the link's in the description. And join up the free Discord. Link is also in the description. What you doing after school, bro? I'm trading after school. As soon as I get back from school, I'm on the charts. I ended school like an hour and 10 minutes ago and hopped on the charts. Maybe NAS. Wait, let's check. Fred, let's check now. What's going on NAS? Oh, NAS looks like we actually could be creating a 1 hour demand. Also, NAS has a liquidity grab that already gave break a candle. But once again, that is counter trend as well. But it doesn't look too bad, honestly. But you know what? The NAS demand, let's mark that up as well. That also does not look bad at all as well. So we got a few options now. Oh, and gold is about to break a candle, but that's a big break a candle. So I'm gonna also just leave that. That's like what, 24 pips. So I'm gonna leave. I just read this post. Got my okay. Wait. My bad. Okay, let's just carry on. So I don't like this one. We're a little bit too high on gold. So I'm gonna leave gold alone. But we have potentials right now. Let's just do. Let's just close that one and that one. Okay. There we go. There's our two potentials that I wouldn't mind taking. Okay, let's read. Hey bro, UJ 5 minutes back. I will get back to that. We can check that now. I mean when you graduate. As of now, you know what? There's a lot of things that could happen. So okay, 100%. I'm not gonna go study at a university or college, whatever you guys call it, wherever you go to study after school. So I'm not doing that at all. I've already told my parents, and they said it's fine. But I have to do something. So I'm gonna work, and then I might. It honestly just depends on what's happening with trading. Honestly, it all depends. If, let's just say, we're just gonna use examples now. Let's say if I'm profitable by the end of this year and I'm consistently making money and payouts every single day. Well, not every single day, but every single week I'm making consistent payouts. Then my parents would say, okay, we see that you're actually doing something with your time now, and you're actually starting to make your own type of money. Then they'd be fine with me just carrying on and trading. But if I don't, which I'm not saying anything, I actually could become profitable by the end of this year. But if I don't, worst case scenario, I'm gonna go do a course while still trading. I'm not gonna ever quit trading or anything, but I'm gonna do a course on. I'm gonna go work on a cruise. So my auntie, she recruits for cruises, for like a big cruise ship. So I'm gonna go do a course on how to be a personal trainer, to work on a cruise. So I could do that after school or next year, but I'm still gonna carry on trading and stuff. And it honestly just depends what happens in trading. It's just all based around trading. So your parents don't have a problem with you trading. My mom kind of does. She doesn't really 100% agree with it, but my dad loves that I'm trading. He pretty much also trades. Well, he doesn't trade, but he has a lot of money in stocks and stuff like that. So he like trades stocks, but not really trades it like day trades it, but he buys and sells stocks pretty often. So yeah, he likes that I'm trading and stuff like that. And what did Doyle say in last week's webinar? I don't know what Doyle said, Alan. No idea, bro. I'm not in his Discord anymore. I left quite a while ago. Yeah, I left Doyle's Discord quite a while ago. Last year, in like, what was it? December, I left his Discord. I was in there for pretty long. Gotta go all in, bro, for real, Fred. I gotta go all in. I gotta make this trading work. I wanna make it work by the end of this year. Where you from, bro? I'm from South Africa. Both correct. I'm from South Africa. Let's see. Okay, let's mark up this demand now on TradingView. Okay, so we've got two potentials. The only thing, let me show you guys TradingView. There's I honestly just prefer GU, but NAS, look, we tapping the 200 EMA, and we in a 5-minute supply as well. So there's some things that could go wrong with NAS demand, but GU actually looks the best. Like, look where the EMA is. 200 EMA is at the bottom here. He has the 13 EMA. Like, this setup just looks really good. So you know what, GU is the one I'm hoping for, but NAS could actually still win though. So we could end up actually taking NAS as well. We just gotta see whichever one gets to the zone first. Why did you leave the Discord? Because this Discord is kind of expensive. My job isn't paying enough to stay in this Discord. Yeah, I work on Saturdays. So you feel me? Yeah, but my job wasn't paying enough, so I couldn't really stay in the. Actually, I could stay in the Discord, but you know what, I feel like I could do better without it. I don't need Doyle's trades that he calls. I don't need to rely on Doyle. And I wasn't really, I was profitable. Like, I was having like some profitable weeks in his Discord, but I wasn't like profitable the entire time. So there's not really any point of me just staying in there and paying all the money. And we do our own webinars in the Discord. So if you want to join the Discord, every Friday we do weekly webinars. And then let's see, any insight on why you left Doyle's Discord? I just answered that now from the previous guy asking. But yeah, it's not, it kind of costs a lot of money because I'm still in high school, so I don't have a full-time job. I only work on Saturdays. Soon I'm going to be working Saturday and Sundays. Yeah, but it's kind of expensive, and everything that he does in his Discord, we do in our Discord or my Discord. Moritz, we are neighbors. I'm sorry, bro. Scalp with me. I don't even think. I don't believe you're neighbors with Moritz. But if you are, if you're not lying, you know, I wouldn't mind meeting Moritz as well, bro. Also, thoughts on adding liquidity grabs to the setup? No. I know what you're talking about. You're probably talking about Mango's video or RD. I don't know, the other guy that taught RD Forex or whatever his name is. I don't like it because I see the market in a different way. Let me show you guys while we wait on a setup. Okay, let's open this. So let's just go here. Okay, let's make an example. Okay, say we're gonna take a demand zone. So we got market pushing up like this. Okay, then we take the demand zone there and then go up. So this would be our demand zone like this. That's like a basic setup that we normally take. That is a normal demand zone that Doyle preaches the way you take it. It's following trend, you get a break structure, taps in, you get a break candle. But when now taking liquidity ones with liquidity grab, that have to grab liquidity to tap the zone. I'm gonna show you how do we draw those. Okay, so there's our demand zone. Okay, so we'll do this, and then this, and then do this. Wait, let's just go like this, and then tap there into the demand, and then you can get it. Okay, this should look like, okay, what the liquidity grab. So there you'd have, okay, let's just imagine there you'd have the demand. This 3 here is tapping into it. There you'd have the demand. But if you look at it the way I look at it, so this is liquidity right here, and this is liquidity right here. But you could also look at it at a different angle and say this is also we breaking structure to the downside. If you see it, this push here, let me get the arrow. This push here is changing the trend. We're breaking a lower low and we're breaking another lower low. So when we get to this demand, we've already broken 2 lows, indicating that we could actually switch trend and just break through, give it like a fake out on this demand, and then push down. Like, that's how I see it. I don't see it as liquidity. This is the way I see it. Like, and the way I've backtested it and the way I've seen, I used to take setups where we would break a low and another low, even if it's just one low, and get to the demand and then it'd lose. Like, this is just the way I've seen it. And then they saying that it looks like liquidity now. Like, I guess it is grabbing liquidity, and it just depends the way you look at the market. But I don't like taking setups where we're breaking a low, bringing another low. It could be indicating that we're switching trend to the downside. And that's why I just don't like taking setups like that. Okay, but let's look at NAS now. NAS is tapping into this demand. Yeah, NAS looks pretty valid, but the only thing is it's tapping, as you guys can see, we're rejecting off of that 200 EMA right there, and we're coming from a 5-minute supply right there. But I don't like that 5-minute supply because, once again, we're breaking structure to the upside. We're breaking, or you can't see it, we're breaking this high right here to get to the supply. But it still could win. If you want to take it, you can take it. But personally, I just don't like taking setups like that. I'd rather take setups that don't break, like NAS right now. We're not breaking any structure to the downside to get into the demand. That's why I like taking NAS. Well, if it holds. But I'm not saying like the liquidity, supply and demand, it does hold. I've seen it hold. I've seen it go for some crazy wins, but personally, I've traded it like that. I don't like it. I've always lost on taking setups like that. Are the forex trades liquidity and plus supply and demand? Yeah, that's what I was just talking about now. This example, literally right here. Let me just go to it. Let me just open TradingView again. This example right here is literally what he trades. Okay, but like that. I look at it differently. We're breaking a low, breaking another low, get to the demand, but now we've already switched structure because we've broken 2 lows, and this is just the way I see it. Nas, Nas gapped. Oh wait, let me just be careful. Nas might give us. Oh no, just tapped. Okay, wait, let me just read what bro, Nas gapped like crazy. Even if someone would like to take the supply without an order limit, it was impossible. Did it just break candle down quickly? I wasn't really paying attention. I won't lie to you. I wouldn't mind taking demand though, but there's a risk that comes with taking the demand now. And I don't think GU. Check gold. Gold is per gold. You could have gotten that in gold's demand. Could have gotten that break a candle, but the stop loss is a little bit too big for me. It's 24 pips. I mean, those stop loss is literally going to be way up here. Could still end up going there, but I'm good on gold. I'm liking NAS though, that we're getting a little bit of rejection. I just got to be careful of the supply and the 200 EMA on NAS. But I'd prefer to take NAS demand over the supply. Let's reach out. Wants to be rejected. If there is a rejection to the zone, the body must not be in the zone. Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. It mustn't close in the zone. Yeah, I know, but there's still a risk to it. I'm still trading like Doyle, but seriously considering switching back. More backtesting to be done. But why are you considering switching? What's wrong with Doyle? The way Doyle trades? It's been working for me. I trade exactly the same way as Doyle. Okay, I think we're gonna end up getting our breaker candle on NAS. Just a lot of wait, let me just move this. There's a lot of things that could go against us. NAS demand coming from 1 hour, but I don't like the EMA. Yeah, bro, that's exactly why I like it. It's coming from the 1 hour, but the 20 EMA is just the only problem. But I think we're getting a nice reaction. And it's also pretty simple, pretty easy to cut this NAS demand. If it gets to like in the middle here, I'm gonna cut it. But that rejection, like look at that rejection. That rejection is looking really good. I trade quarterly theory plus ICT. Bro, I got no idea what that is. I'm sorry. This NAS demand looks really good. We got 1 hour confluence in the NAS demand, so this is following all our rules. We had to break a structure. Just the only thing is the 200 EMA. Okay. I'm just waiting on break a candle. I took the supply. Let's just see. Hey, bro, you know what? You could end up winning. The demand could end up losing. I just don't really like the supply because we're breaking a high to get to it. I know the risk that comes with taking this demand, but you know, I'm honestly willing to risk it. That's even if we get break a candle. Gonna pass on that, waiting to see what open does. Valid. GU is just completely gone up. If you took the 1 hour demand on GU, if you trade 1 hour, you are absolutely like, let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, like, look at that 1 hour candle. That 1 hour candle, let me just make sure I don't miss NAS. That 1 hour candle on GU is going absolutely crazy. If you got in on the 1 hour on NAS, on GU, this is like an insane setup. I don't think we're gonna get a pullback on GU, so NAS is gonna have to save us today. Wait, Doyle took what? Doyle took GU sell. Wait, there's people just pushing bins. I'm just gonna wait for that to pause. Okay, that should be gone. Doyle took a GU sell. I don't know from where. Honestly, it could probably be the support or the resistance up here that he took it from. But other than that, I don't honestly see what Doyle could have taken. Interesting though. I'll go have a look on his Instagram now and see. Another UJ supplier. I'll pull that up now. Cat Studios. What's up? Let's just see USD JPY. Got another supplier. I don't like how big that zone is. That zone looks pretty big on UJ. Considering switching just to see if it improves my RR. Also, I've found that RD Forex additional rules invalidates a lot of trades that I would have lost, even without the liquidity aspect added. Oh, you're talking about not taking a zone if the candles close in the zone. Honestly, that is a good rule, but you will miss out on a lot of winning trades, even if you just yeah. But he got 1 to 4 somehow. Wait, what? Doyle won on a sub. I thought he lost. Wait, let me go look real quick. What? Wait, hold up. What? Oh, he took this on a 1 minute as well. Oh, I see which setup Doyle took the. Wait. Yeah, he took this. Interesting. And he had the zone at the top. So Doyle caught a crazy 1 to 4 till like down here. on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. You know what? I don't know. I have no words. Interesting though, very interesting. I don't even have words. I don't know what he took. Wait, let's chat. I'm only just start. I only just. Bro, I can't read. I've only just started testing, but good to hear a different perspective for real. 1420 time maybe on your chart, but I don't know on what setup. Doyle doing 5 minute plus 1 minute. I don't know what he honestly what he took. Must be a supply in the middle. If there was a 5 minute supply that he took, but it was also with a 1 minute. He took I don't know. He took a 1 minute entry maybe, because he has the 5 minute supply, but if you go to the 1 minute, there's also a 1 minute entry or 1 minute thing, 1 minute supply. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not in Doyle's Discord, but if he's trading the 5 minute and the 1 minute now, you know what? That could actually be something crazy, and it looks like we could potentially be getting a little bit of a rejection from NAS right now, but I'd still need to be careful because we are rejecting. We're still rejecting from that supply. But we're getting a good reaction now. I wouldn't mind taking the demand now if we get break a candle. New York Stock Exchange opens in 28 minutes as well. I think it's a 5 minute zone, but he scales down. Yeah, he 100% scaled down to the 1 minute. Well, he literally even said it, but yeah. Very interesting though. Pretty interesting, I won't lie. 1 minute and the 5 minute. Bro, for real, someone gotta hook us up with the new Doyle webinar in your Discord. Yeah, bro. Wait, I'm gonna ask. I know someone who could potentially be in. Wait. I'm gonna ask someone. I think I gotta connect. If anyone's in Doyle's Discord, you know what? Please, can we get last week's webinar? We should talk about it after, for real. Yeah, we will talk about it 100%. After we done trading, we're gonna hop on a call. 100%. We need to analyze this. Maybe he's been backtesting something different. I don't know. Doyle's been saying he wants to go to futures and all types of stuff. Wait, I've got to connect. Let me ask him real quick. I've got a few people that I could potentially ask. I gotta connect. Let me find this guy's. I DM'd this guy so long ago. Let me find him. I got a few connects that we can potentially ask. Come on, where's this guy? I need to find him. There was this one specific guy. Where's this DM? I'm gonna have to look afterwards. I don't wanna. Oh shit, NAS is about to give break a candle. This is a risk on NAS, but I think I'm willing to get in on break a candle. Let's just see if we get it. Okay, no. doesn't look like we're gonna get break a candle. Actually, we might. I'm gonna read chats now in on YouTube. Just give me a second. I think he tries to get an entry on the wick in the photo. I don't know. I also don't know. I'm in EU trades, also in GU trades. What are you in on EU? But GU, if you're in a buy, it makes sense. Or if you were in a buy. Yo, do you have IG? Yeah, bro, it's in the description if you want to go follow. I don't know about this NAS demand. It's being a little bit iffy. I'm gonna look for this one connect and see if he's still in the yeah, okay, I found him. Oh no, he's not in Doyle's Discord anymore. Never mind. Shit, let's see if we can find someone else. Consolidating, probably waiting for New York Stock Exchange open. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pass up on this setup now. We haven't gone breaking candle, and it's not looking. It looks like we're just rejecting from that supply. I'm gonna pass up on that and wait for Stock Exchange open, which is in 22 minutes. Yeah, no, it's not worth. I swear, if this wins, then I'm not gonna get in, but probably will. But you know what? I'm just gonna pass up on it. Gonna be smart. Ain't no way, no way, no way. Someone got us. Someone plugged us. No way. Someone has the link. Okay. Let's go. We got the webinar. I shouldn't be saying this, but shit, we got the webinar. No way. Well, if you boys want to join up the free Discord somehow, somewhere. We got the link to Doyle's new Discord. Let us just put this in notes in case something happens. Somehow, some way, someone has it, and we got it. Okay. Okay, let's read comments. Okay, my bad. Let's watch it together. Not on stream though, but 100%. 100% we can watch it after on a call. If you guys are down, we can hop on a call. Okay, let's see. You trading personal account or profit? I'm trading right now. This is a 25k demo because at the end of this month I'm gonna be taking a 25k account, challenge account. So I'm just getting my mind right, getting my mental right, getting bigger, getting used to the bigger numbers, because literally the whole of January I was on a personal account, and I think it's time to take a prop firm for me now. So I'm just adjusting to the bigger numbers and stuff like that. But end of this month, beginning of like April, no, it's March, I'm gonna be taking a 25K challenge, or what's this? Or the end of March, or one of the two. We just gotta see. Hello there, Bon. What's up, bro? Seems like he took a fairly straightforward setup. Judging from the Instagram story he posted. It's just yeah, I can't read for shit. Is it just time frame that has you curious? Yeah, but we've never seen him trade on the 1 minute, so I'm interested to see. What country are you from, bro? I'm from South Africa. Let's watch it together. Yep, I answered that. We're gonna watch it together after this, so make sure you join the free Discord. Check, Andres, check Discord. I'm checking it right now, bro. Let's see. Well, people are leaking the the new thing. Okay, wait. Check this. Wait, I'm reading chat now. I don't see that you messaged me. Oh wait, Carlos, are you there? Okay. You just join your Discord. Yeah. Where's the link? It's literally in chat. Someone posted it there. Someone posted it there. And then if you guys join, please read announcements. Announcements is, if you read it, it's if you trade Doyle's way. If you trade Doyle's 5 minutes to find them up. So please read announcements. Literally, just there's a big message. If you trade Doyle's strategy, just click on the green tick thing. If you trade Doyle's strategy, please. Yeah. Okay, let's just send it over. Okay, we are about to break a candle on NAS, but I said I'm gonna pass up on it because I don't know. I swear I'm probably missing a good setup. Potentially missing up on a good setup on NAS, but I'm gonna wait till after New York Stock Exchange open and see what happens. Yeah, so we just okay. Let me go back into chat. Well, that the breaker candle. Yeah, it's at the breaker candle now. If you want to get in, but I'm gonna pass up on this demand because just the 200 EMA is right there. But you know what? It could be a good setup, and we rejected from the supply. The supply, I don't think it won. It might have. Wait, let's just check. 21 pips. Okay, the supply didn't win, so the demand could potentially win now, but I'm cool. Once again, if you join up the Discord, please read announcements. I swear I'm passing up on a good setup. It's fine. We're just gonna let it play out. It already gave us break a candle, so I kind of really missed the entry. And New York Stock Exchange open is in 15 minutes, so that still is a risk. Gold demand, It still looks terrible though. Breaker candles up here. US 30 doing absolutely nothing. Could create a demand here if we get break a structure. Please read. Yeah, there's a bunch of people joining. Please read announcements. Literally, please just read announcements. You get to trade with everyone who trades like Doyle, if you click announcements in the Discord. Okay, let's read chat. If it was a good setup, you won't pass on it. That's how I see it. That's true, bro. That's also what I've been thinking about. If it is like a good setup that I wanted to get into, I'd be in it. But you know what? There's some red flags about it. 200 EMA, which you're rejecting from a valid supply. I don't really like that supply though. And New York Stock Exchange open is in like 15 minutes now. Gold does not respect low time frame supply and demand. I backtested it, bro. I got like an 80% win rate on it on gold, lower time frame. Let me pull it up again. Spreadsheets. I can literally put it up right now, but gold respects lower time frame. Yeah, let's just open it up. Right here. Gold. Let's check. Bro, I had like a 86% win rate, but this is only for like 38 trades, and I backed it from last year October, sorry. But the gold was respecting it. There's a lot of liquidity grabs that you can see like here. Resistance setup, liquidity grab, support, but there's a few supply and demand setups that actually did hold, and they went for like a pretty good RR, like 1 to 2, like it does hold if you get the right setups. So yeah, let's just take this away now. Okay, like that. Okay, NAS is actually looking decent, but once again passing up on it. Only higher time frame, and even then it'll consolidate for a long time before it ever pushing away from the zone. I backtested it. You know what, I don't know. We all see the market differently. Can't open Discord. Why can't you? Oh, permission. What do you mean permission? Is it the what do you mean you can't like get in? Oh wow, did you make that spreadsheet? Nah, I didn't make the spreadsheet. Someone who I created the Discord with, his name's Juicy. He created, or I think he created it. I'm not too sure, but it is in the Discord. If you in the Discord and you go to backtesting, you go to the channel backtesting, and you just scroll like all the way up in the chat. There's not too many messages in there, but if you scroll, I'm actually scrolling up now. If you scroll in the Discord in backtesting all the way up to like the one, I'll actually resend the link in backtesting if you guys want it. Yeah, Juicy did send it. Wait, he has it. Yeah, backtesting spreadsheet. I'm gonna resend it because it is quite high up. Copy text. Okay, I did resend the backtesting spreadsheet in the Discord if you want to see it. And yeah, it's right there. Through chats. Permission on Discord, bro. What are you saying? What permission don't you have? Everyone should be able to join. You just gotta, once you join, you must just click on rules and then click. I don't know if it's gonna focus on it. We must just click on rules and then click on that message that Juicy sent there, and you should get the role to the Discord. Okay, there. And then if you trade like Doyle, click announcements and then click on that green check box. If you trade like Doyle, just read the message, click on it, and then I will give you the role. I see someone clicked on it. I just gotta find their name and then give them the role real quick. I could set up a bot to give it to you instantly, but I'm way too lazy to do that. Okay, I can't find this guy's name, but I'll look. Got it, appreciate it. What do you think of GU? High up, gaps to fill on the left. Yeah, GU looks really good. I wish it tapped into one of the demands. It won off the 1 hour demand if you look. 1 hour demand, one right there, and shot up, and it is still like this setup actually blows my mind. Now you never see this on GU with a 1 hour demand like this. This is a very good setup on GU. It's gonna come fill in all these gaps here. If we get back to like this demand here, it is very high, but I wouldn't mind taking it, honestly. NAS, let's see, NAS, actually I'm glad I didn't get into NAS. It's literally just waiting for, it's literally just waiting for New York Stock Exchange open. What time is call, bro? Honestly, like I run the Discord. I can make the call whenever I want. Probably like right after I end stream. Right after I end stream, I'll probably have the call. And then we're going to talk about a few things. About Doyle trading the 1 minute. Which is very interesting. Let's check. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get into this NAS setup. I knew it was like a pretty mid setup. Bro, you trade New York Open? Nah, I don't trade New York Open, bro. I'm waiting until after New York Stock Exchange Open. I don't recommend it at all. But you know what? If I'm like, okay, let's say I entered, okay, let's say I took this supply, right? Let's say I took this supply and we didn't hit take profit yet. Like it hasn't hit 1-to-1 yet. I'd still hold even though we're holding through New York Stock Exchange Open. Like then I'd like trade through it, but not purposely. I'd hold through, like let's say I entered into the supply, got in a breaker candle, I'd hold, and we didn't hit take profit yet, I'd hold through New York Stock Exchange Open. But I didn't take the supply. I think Fred took the supply. I'm holding NAS from this 30, I'm holding NAS, bro, I can't read for shit. I'm holding NAS from this 30 min, oh no, I don't even know what you're saying, but I understand. He's been holding it for 30 minutes now, because it's just consolidating up and down. Hasn't hit that 1-to-1 yet. Let's delete whatever that is there. Traded this, but can't tell what's the directional bias. Are you talking about NAS's supply? Honestly, it's a pretty okay supply because the 200, it's okay. He trades the 1 minute in some occasions. He has a video on it on his channel, but Doyle's never traded the 1 minute. I've never seen him trade it except for now, like ever. He might have a video from long ago, but I've never seen. I was in his Discord for like 5 months. I've never seen him look at the 1 minute. Bro, that's high, but wouldn't mind taking it. It has a 15-minute demand. Okay, wait. Let me just read from there. I don't have access to view anything on your Discord, bro. Young King, I'm pretty sure that was your name. You need to click. You literally, the only thing you can see is rules. It says that right there. If you can see it, it says rules. You must just click on that right there from that message from Juicy. Click on that thing and you'll get given the roles. Then once you've done that, read announcements. Okay, I'm in the Discord. Let's go, bro. That's a high, but wouldn't mind taking it. 15-minute demand. Let me just check GU as well. 15 minute. Yeah, there is a 15-minute demand as well. It's just very high. Wouldn't mind taking it though. Bro's fried from too much screen time, bro, for real. And reading chat after, like, a lot, it tires you, I won't even lie. Hi Lun, bro. How you doing, bro? Look at oil. Let's open up oil. I tried oil once. I took like one trade on it. What are we looking at? There's a 5-minute supply, but we're breaking multiple structures to get up to it. A lot of rejections though. Could be pretty good to fill in gaps to the downside, but I don't trade oil. There might be a high time frame conflict. Yeah, there's a 15-minute. And then there's a 1 hour. So actually, this is actually low-key probably a good supply to take. But the only thing is we did come from a support as well to get in there. So it could be a little bit of a problem. But that reaction looks good on oil. Let us just close oil and open up. Okay. 4 minutes until New York Stock Exchange open. Click the thumbs up, bro. For real. Click the. Actually, I don't even mind. Hit the subscribe button. Watch my previous videos. I couldn't care if you like. If you like the stream, watch my previous video right there. Go watch that one. It's got 2K views. Go watch that one. Let's read the chat. Let's see. GU could be heading to 1 hour supply. Yeah, I was looking at it. It's gonna come fill in all those gaps. Like, look at that. It's gonna keep continuing up. But if it hits that 1 hour supply before it hits the 5-minute demand, I'm good. I'm not gonna take it. Let's see. New York Stock Exchange open, takes liquidity before pushing somewhere. We have liquidity both sides. Just wait for one to get taken out and break a candle with the reverse. I only trade supply and demand, so if we get like a supply and demand that's in line with it, I'll take it. Doyle says he's only taking 5 minutes setup. Wait, Doyle says he's only taking 5 minutes setup with 1 minute inside, or 15-minute with a 5 minute inside. If that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Did he say that now? Is he on like a live or some shit? I don't know. But interesting if he's doing that. It's yeah, probably because he's been losing a lot. He's probably taking like better setups now. Don't spoil, bro. XD. I'm waiting on the demand on oil. The supply on oil is also really good. NAS actually finally now. Yeah, Fred, you finally hit your take profit. I think right before New York Stock Exchange open. Yeah, NAS hit the 101 if you took the supply. I'll mark up the supply right there. I could have taken that, but yeah, I don't know. If you would have got in aggressive on NAS supply, it would have been an easy win. So true, but there's a risk to getting in aggressive. There's always a risk in getting in aggressive. Less of a risk to get in at break of candle. He said it in the webinar. In the webinar today. Oh, you talking about the webinar? No, the webinar wasn't recorded today. It was recorded on last week, Friday. But yeah, if he said it in the web, I'm going to watch it. We're going to go over it. After this call, after this live stream, when I'm done trading, we're going to hop on a call. And we're going to talk about Doyle's new strategy. And see. Not going to lie, not the best setup for real. But it hit take profit. This is honestly looking like a no trade day for me. Actually, we might have a demand here on US30, but it is stock exchange open now. I want to see what happens. Okay, let's just give some people the roll. I'm just reading Discord. Let's just see. People who are reacting. Okay, this is New York Stock Exchange open. I'm gonna come read chat now. Let's just see what happens. US30, what's happening? I wouldn't mind US30 if it comes back. Yeah, it taps into its demand. Yeah, I wouldn't mind, but it still looks pretty trash. NAS, oh, it looks terrible. Honestly, looks like another no trade day. Okay, let's read chat. My trade hit 1-to-1, but I got my sights on a 1-to-2. What setup are you talking about? Are you talking about NAS supply? NAS supply had closed, if you're talking about that. Oh wow, didn't watch the date on it. Lol. Oh yeah. He does webinars every Friday. There's no ways we don't get a setup today. Like, surely we get something. Maybe NAS creating a new demand. Okay, NAS created a new demand. I'm gonna show it on TradingView because it doesn't look valid. Well, it doesn't look like it's there on MetaTrader, but here's a valid demand. But you know what? What are the odds of it even getting here? There's that demand. We just got break structure right there. GU is still so high up. We ain't getting a pullback. GJ, honestly, nothing on GJ. Gold, nothing. There's a demand down here on US30, but also don't think we're getting back down there. Let's see what happens though. Maybe we can hopefully get a setup. I'm gonna be done in like an hour. If we don't get a setup in an hour, I'm calling it. When GU is going up, it's respecting break and recess better than supply and demand. I don't trade break and retest, but if it works, if it works for you, then it works for you. I was in NAS supply, got out when it broke structure. You're in NAS supply. Which supply? The one here. I don't see any other NAS supply, honestly. I won't lie to you. NAS, GU, I mean not NAS on GU. GU is also about to tap into this 1 hour tomorrow, 1 hour supply here. Let's see. I'm surprised that he uses YouTube to host the videos, considering how easy it is to get shared. He doesn't. He does the webinars on Zoom and then he just records it and then he posts it on YouTube. I do the same thing. Like if you joined and you got the Discord, if you got the role to Doyle's trading chat thing that we have, I also do the webinars there. I post it on YouTube. Supply 1 if you took it, bro. Bro, oil supply, yeah. Well, actually, I don't know if it won. Let's see where breaky candle is. Breaky candle. Yeah, all good.
You getting stickers?
No, I'm busy.
How's it going?
Pretty trash.
Trash. Alright.
Okay, bye. My bad. That's just my dad. Oil supply looks like it could have won. Yeah, oil supply looks like a 1 if you took that. Another winning setup, but once again, I don't trade oil. US30 has gone crazy. That's crazy. But nothing else. Maybe NAS if we get back. I like the fact that you're disciplined in your ability to stick to your strategy and what works for you. I appreciate that, but it's the only way to master or become profitable in trading is to stay disciplined. Yeah, you just gotta stay disciplined, even if like all strategies go through a losing period. So you just gotta find what works for you, and I'm hoping NAS is still valid. Okay, let's read. Hey Andreas, what is your trading time window? I trade, so looking at it at New York time, I trade from 7:30 a.m. to around 10:30 a.m. So 2 hours before New York Stock Exchange open, I start looking for a trade, and then like an hour after New York Stock Exchange open, I'm done for the day. For my time, if you live in South Africa, it is 2:30 till until 5:30. If you live where I live, South Africa. It hasn't won yet. Oh, oil. Okay, well, it looks like a 1 off of MetaTrader, but yeah. I think NAS might be our savior if it comes and taps back down. Hoping it does. Hopefully we can get a tap into this demand, but if we don't, I don't think we're honestly going to get anything else. GJ demand? Let me check GJ. Oh shit, okay, you know what, that is actually valid. Let's just bring up GJ again. Even though I'm on the edge with GJ, that is a valid demand. I wouldn't mind taking that as well. I might just close. Okay, I'm gonna just close gold for now, just so that it looks cleaner. GU is pretty high. I wouldn't mind GJ demand since I still trade GJ. Okay, NAS is tapping into this. The way you'd be able to get into this setup, in my opinion, is like getting an aggressive. But there's a risk on that, so I don't think. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna blow right through the zone as well. So it looks like NAS is not valid anymore. Yep. Okay, blew right through the zone. So NAS is not valid anymore. Not looking at that, closing it. We're looking at GJ. Yeah, GJ 5 minute. Don't get me wrong, I get it. From Zoom to YouTube makes sense, just considering the amount of charges he gets. Amount of charges to get. I'm surprised it's not more secure. I think he knows that his Discord things get leaked, because if you look at it, some webinars get like when I was in his Discord, some webinars would get like 200 views, and then others would get like 2k views when there's not even 2k people in his Discord. So webinars do get leaked, but I don't think he cares that much, honestly. 1 hour. Ooh, Fred, thank you. But look at that bullish candle tapping into it. We're not even look at that next candle as well, honestly. What about the 4 hour? I don't know. Let me just do it. Let me just look on trading view. GJ is on a 1 hour supply. Let me just look at it off the 1 hour. I mean off of trading view. We are bullish. We filled a big gap. We're tapping in. There's no rejection from it yet. Ooh, that ruins a lot of things. And we are high, a little bit high. I don't know, that 1 hour supply does look like it ruins everything. But you know what, it still could end up being valid, but let's see. Tapped into a 4 hour resistance as well. Yeah, and it's in a 4 hour supply, but the 4 hour supply doesn't have a breaker structure. Oh, see, this is all just probabilities now, honestly. I'll look at it based off the reaction at the zone. If we get a good reaction, then I'm following the rules, but it is also, once again, a risk. Do you think you'd ever get into that game, eventually selling your content or even creating a course? You know, I honestly don't know. Maybe there's one thing that I do is create like my own community, but not on Discord. If you know what school is, if you can search up school. I'll put it up. Let's just put it up here. This is what one thing I'd create, but I'd make it cheap as hell. I'd make it like $5 a month to join. So school it's like a new platform. Like all the big like creators and stuff are on school now. Like there's Hamza's on it. I know. I'm pretty sure. No, there's a few big people on it, but this is like the only thing. But you make it cheap as hell. So I don't know. It honestly just depends. But honestly, I don't think I would. I wouldn't create a course though, because I learned from Doyle, so I'm pretty much just stealing Doyle's course if I had to post it. But I wouldn't create a course. But maybe a paid community is like the only thing I'd do. But I wouldn't make it like $60 like Doyle's. Like that's a bit much. I'd probably, the max I'd go is like $10 a month. But that's not even something I'm looking at now. Okay, we're about to get a tap. Okay, yeah, we just wait. Let me just see. I think we got a tap. I don't know. Yeah, okay, we got a tap into GJ's demand. It is valid. We're basing it off the reaction right now. So if we get a good reaction, we're getting a break candle. If we don't, then we're not taking something. We're not taking anything. So let's just read. Do you trade AUUSD? I used to, but AUUSD's been absolutely terrible to me. Well, I dropped it like beginning of this year, and then I just stopped. Mass supply. I'm just reading comments as they come. That okay? I don't like that. That zone is a bit too big. I'm sorry for mass supply. GJ is the only thing I like right now. Just there's a few things that I don't like. Just caught a 20 pip on Nash short. Good shit, bro. 20 pips. Good shit, bro. NAS supply. NAS is bleeding. Yeah, NAS looks like it is dropping. GU also looks like it's dropping, potentially getting into the demand, but has tapped into the supply as well. You know what? This is just a little bit risky right now. GU tapped into the supply. GJ's in a supply. I'm basing it all off the reaction right now. The reaction, we're getting a really good reaction off of GJ's demand. And it is the beginning of the week. We haven't taken any trades this week. So honestly, this could be the trade. But I am gonna cut it. If we get breaking candle on this and we're going like in the opposite direction, like not in our direction, in our favor, I'm closing it. There's no way I'm holding this till full stop loss. That would just be dumb. Once again, if you do join up the free Discord, please please read announcements. Read announcements, please. Like, we're getting a good reaction from this, but I have seen setups like this lose, but I've also seen them win. So honestly, we just gotta see if we can break a candle. There's a minute and like 40 seconds until next candle. US bro wants me to look at USD ZAR. There's no way, bro. There's no way I'm not. There's no way I'm trading my home currency. There's just no way. I've looked at USD ZAR a few times, but it is the absolute worst pair to ever look at. Looks like it has a pretty good supply coming up. I can even pull it up, but I just wanna see if we can do it in a minute before break a candle. USD ZAR. This is my home country right here. My currency that we use here. Come on, is it even gonna load? There. That is actually a good supply. What the fuck is ZAR? Bro, ZAR stands for it's our currency in South Africa. It's called the rand, but it's just referred to as ZAR. It has a pretty good supply, but this is like the worst pair you could ever like. Just look at this. I want you to all look at this. Okay, let's just turn this off. Just look at how it moves. Look at these candles here. Look at this candle here. Look at this candle here. Look at this. Just look at how it moves. And then you get like no candles for like, what is that? It's like 20 minutes. There's no candles there. And then it moves up. Like, this is like the worst pair. It's coming up to the supply though. Let's just close that shit. That is horrible. Okay, but GG in break a candle. Okay, a new candle is happening right now in 1 second. Okay, let's see if we can break a candle. Oh my goodness, that broke very fast. Okay, we didn't get the best entry, but we're in. Holy shit, we're about to hit 101. Bro, I just entered with my wrong lot size. Fuck! No! Bro. I'm not on the 25k. No, you're joking. I'm not on my 20. I'm on my personal account settings for GJ. No. There's no way. Look, I'm risking $10. This is how much I risk on my personal accounts. No. Okay, but once it gets to $10, that's my 1-to-1. But there's actually no way. Fuck. It's supposed to be $125. No. Oh shit. Let me just cancel that. That's how it's supposed to be there, 120. And we just got the 101. And we made $10 fucking dollars. Oh my days. Bro, look, I can show you guys. Look, I got, if we go, let me just move that, take profit. If you click, go here and I go load, I have one for my 25K, and then I think this one's for my personal account. Or one of these are for my personal account. There's no way I did that. There's no way I managed to do that on a winning trade. There's no way. That actually annoyed me. I should have checked though. Okay, that's my fault though. I should have made sure that I was using the right thing, but it shouldn't have changed to my $10 account settings. Like, look, yeah, 0.5% of my account. Okay, you know what it is? What it is? We won, but we messed up. Okay, let's just read that. I'd be punching the air, bro. Well, 1-to-1 it is. We hit that 1-to-1, and we made $10 from it. Did it top on TV? Tap on TradingView. Yeah, it tapped on TradingView. Let me put up on TradingView. Well, okay, you can see it here. It's gone. We didn't get the. I got in pretty late. It happened pretty quick, but we hit that 1-to-1 like that. Got in that break a candle, and then let's read the rest of this. Hey, you still made money, bro? I made money. I made $10 on a 25K account. Is this your challenge account? So I'm not in a challenge right now. This is just a demo account. But at the end of this month, I'm trading. I'm gonna be taking a 25K account or a 10K challenge. So I'm just getting used to the bigger numbers because I was trading on a personal the whole of January, like a small personal risking $10 a trade. So I'm just getting used to like risking $125 now. I'm getting mentally prepared for taking a challenge. That's why I'm trading on bigger I'm just trading on demo just to get used to it. Good trade, bro. Just be happy you won. You know what? We won, bro. That shit feels like a loss. I know it. Yeah, bro. That pains me, but it's fine. I'm pretty sure it didn't tap on TradingView though. It did, bro. Look, if you zoom in, I'm gonna zoom in. It tapped right there. You gotta be using Ayanda. If you're using a different broker, I don't think it tapped. Look, it tapped right there. Tapped into the zone. Ooh, it's a valid zone. It happens, bro. Magic keys users get it, but like, I don't even know why it's like that because I've traded GJ. Like, I took a trade on GJ the other day and my risk was fine. I don't know why it switched to my personal account settings. Now it's on my actual account ones. W analysis. This was a risky trade though. We did end up hitting take profit. I'm not too sure if it's going to keep going up. I think this setup might have just given us only a 1-to-1 because we are tapping into a 1 hour supply plus a 4 hour supply. Like, there's a lot of red flags on it, but we get that. We got that 1-to-1, and that's pretty much all that matters. W analysis. Let's go. I tabbed into Discord and missed it. Yeah, no, it happened really quick. FXCM, yeah, FXCM probably didn't tap. I use Ayanda because it literally matches perfectly with my broker. Yep, yeah. You could actually get into it, the trade now. It still could potentially go higher. Like, you could get in like right down there where, right there when it gave the broker candle, but it is a risk because it already won. But that is all, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, join up the free Discord. I'm gonna hop on a call with the Discord and discuss Doyle's new strategy with trading the 1 minute. and we do host webinars every Friday. So make sure you join up, and hope to see you guys there soon. Watch my previous video. I'm gonna actually pull it up so you guys can see it. YouTube. Watch my previous video, please. It's right here. Right here. Feel me? Watch this video right here. There's a few live trading videos, some psychology type shit as well. You know what? It's all good though. Let's check. Okay, that's just okay. We can ignore that for now. But I am done. I'm gonna end the stream here now. Wait, let's just. How long have you been trading Doyle strategy, brother? And what do you think sets him apart from all of us? I've been trading Doyle strategy now for. Okay, it's a long story. Okay, so I started trading almost 2 years. So I started trading in April of 2022 is when I started trading. I learned Doyle strategy. Well, I found about Doyle about in April, May, June, in around about maybe June, July. I learned about Doyle strategy, and then I was learning his strategy from then. But I didn't know the difference between high and low probability supply and demand for about 8 months. So until last year, May or April, I only learned about what's the difference between high and low probability. So from May of like last year, I've actually been locked in with Doyle's proper strategy. And then I joined his Discord, and I took a trade and stuff like that. I took a challenge, and then my Forex funds got frozen, lost the account and stuff like that. But if you guys have more questions, just message me on Discord. The link is in the description, and I'm gonna see you guys on Thursday. I don't trade Wednesdays. Where's the Zoom link posted for what? Just message me on Discord, bro. Ziki, whatever your name is, message me on Discord. I'm gonna see you guys on Thursday again.